Call me. I won't leave you alone.
Okay, I'll call me.
Call me.
The video.
Call me
No,
right now.
cause
Call me right now.
if I finish the video, then I'll never call you.
Mom, can you text me? What do you think?
Samsung. This Sam. You want your Samsung? You want to use Samsung?
No, I want to go.
We'll have fun. All right. So hey guys. Hey guys.
I have a good idea.
So how you doing? So this video is basically about. You see my cool wallpaper? No. So this video. My cool. Okay. So this video is how
My phone number.
to hack
You don't even know your
how to
daughter's
hack
phone number?
how to hack. So www that I might pick it down node and so basically you get all these lists and I just
I want your black.
guys so can you be quiet? So basically when I was be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. You be quiet for what's in your life? Or she was sleeping. So anyway, what I was saying, keep trying to stop, Mama. So I was saying was so I go you pick what mine, right? So what's a game that I always wanted to play that I can never play because this game. Okay, no, you know what? Yes. I just want to say. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, but okay. All right. So basically, oh what was I gonna say? Oh wait, but iPhone 8. iPhone 8. Fault. 8.
That's all my flashlight.
Nope. So that's what did April mod, Mega mod. Now now we'll look for a mod. No. Down APK. Now when I'm down my APK. So yes. Nope. Don't worry, it's not real virus. No, I have to say download all this stuff. Yeah. They be like, download all this stuff. And you be like, mm-hmm. You want me to do what now? You see, solar installs on ads. You see that? I'm telling you, these are ads that I don't care. So these ain't virus. Alright. I just won't eat. Yeah. Oh, you have to do this. No. There you go. Oh, my bad.
That hurt.
Hey, you didn't say how to get it out. You just say get it out. So, Pickerel.com. Epic. Woo! The download mod. Alright, now what is this mod about? Download mod. This is how you know. Block that. This is how you figure out. This is how you figure out.
Thanks. Stop.
What I'm telling you guys is go do see there ain't no real way to do this. Out human very Epic House has it all. I'd be like Epic House. Oh god, I'm losing my mind. Epic House does not have it all. Oh yeah. Well now. Okay. Guys playing. I hate my name.
Why are you singing that on the tune?
So, alright, so now install. Ooh, you missed. Now open this app. Open it. Activate. Download it again. And download it again. You know what? No, because now I have the app. I should have it. It should be on my phone. This app is a ripoff. What's going on? As my cousin tries to find me.
Bless you.
There's a good here. Now when you hit this, no, you can't open it. Now this is where you start using your and say, tight. I am tight. You know what? I'm out of this Josie and leaving this place. Wonder why?
My cousin is lazy.
Stop. And this is because this.
It's not going to yourself. Are you making the video?
Yeah. So basically, you go here. You won't understand. I'm filming.
I'm gonna go see if it's raining or not. Can I open the door?
Nope. You know what? You know, people don't listen to me now, do they?
It's not raining.
Don't be.
No. No.
You should ask me. But okay, so basically,
Why didn't you want me to open the door, huh?
launch. You can get hot original. Don't get the hot original apps. I'm telling you.
I'm doing a split.
Oh, you didn't even do it. But okay, so
Yeah, 'cause I'm
basically
talking.
let me run away from my cousin because she is trying to do a split. Let me run away so she can't blame it on me. I get she can't blame me. She feels that was her.
No, you pushed me.
He did.
Yeah.
No, I did not.
Oh.
I did not hit her.
Yes, you did. Like
I
this.
pushed her.
While I was trying to do a split, then I fell backwards.
Okay. Alright, guys. Let's get back to the video because these people are distracting me. 8. Oh, imagine this for 78.
Yes, I did it. I did split. I'm going to play with my later. No, you cannot play with me.
I don't care. You think I be caring? You think I honestly bust down crying? I can't play now. Yeah. No, I don't be bust down crying. See, in-store top marketing says just to make these idiots happy. Just to make these idiots happy. They brought you to an app. They brought you to an app. Now didn't it? They brought you to an app. Now didn't it? I'm sorry, guys. This video's so long. I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest with you, I don't be knowing what I'm doing.
I don't be knowing what I'm doing.
And don't mind. Oh no, I'm not.
And don't mind my little cousin.
Happy mod. 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 Happy. Happy mod. Oh, you mad? Oh, he's mad. Happy mod. Happy. Oh, you tight. Yo, I'm gonna go on Play Store actually. Let's see if they have it on Play Store. Happy mod. Happy mod. You see this? You see this? Happy mod has a smiley face on his face. Now this is why we go with the original www.moddedpicking.com. This is why we don't hack online. You see what I'm doing? This it's called Lucky Pack. Okay. That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. Like next, skip all that detail. Nope.
Yay. They just won't be leaving that time? No. When are you leaving?
Oh wow.
Bro, when are you leaving?
Who's bro? I'm not your bro. I swear to God. Car right there. And the time like oh you can see a silver car.
How do I even make stuff?
Just got rough at it. I'm not dumb, you know. I'm telling you. The whole silver of it. The whole silver of it. You got You want it? You want it? Sorry. I'm trying to do what they do. Get shows. Where did it go? Is it in this hand or this hand?
That hand.
Okay.
You just
Magic. Oh.
Mm.
My cousin's mad. I'm proud. She's trying to beat me up right now. Alright, guys. Now, I know this video is freaking long because I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But in my defense, I'm young. I'm a YouTuber, so. But
He's not a YouTuber. He just started today.
okay, I just started today, but I'm still posting it on YouTube. So I am a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber.
He's not a YouTuber. He just started today. He just made one. So that he's gonna be making 1,000. He's not gonna be a YouTuber no more.
You don't know what YouTube is now, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, how can Lucky Patrick not be installed? Lucky Patrick. Lucky Patrick. Lucky Patrick. Patrick. Castle, stop making those sounds.
You're making the sound.
Patrick, go off the my booty. Maybe I'm like, nothing.
What did you do?
What is this? Lucky Patcher. Yo, I went through all that trouble to download Lucky Patcher. Can you believe that? Now uninstall. Not safe to the device. Hell, let me. Darn it. This is why you should not. Oh, Patch, thank you. See you later. Hi. And I love you guys.